So we all know this thing run off this 124 volt, but I put 2 in there, so we got 8 amp hours, but it can run off 1. The whole thing can fit in the car, as you see. Easily carry and snap together. I'm gonna change the attachment. Battery thing is extra light. You can also store stuff inside of there like the charger. And then you got this one and this one. And then you got the lid. I'm gonna change the top attachment so that it's also a shopping cart. I'm gonna go give y'all a video. And that's it. And y'all know she dumped. And y'all know she spin. When you hit a button, she spin. She spin all the way sideways. Now let's go take it for a ride. Yeah, it's actually a wheelbarrow. And as you see what weight it's carrying, just throwing it around, 80 pound.
You order through some...
No, I make it.
Yeah, you make it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, Electric Tips 29.
Electric
Tips 29. All one word.
Excellent.
Thank you. I want to do that. That'll be the first boo-boo. Hello.
That's cool.
Thank you.
Okay.
Till you run something over.
No, mami. Mami, míralo. That is too cool.
Thank you. Just to prove to everybody that it works with one battery in only. There's the battery. Battery's over there still on. No difference. Same, this just adds amp hours to it. Hey, how are you?
don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Hey, why not? Yeah, coming in hot. Just like the fajita. I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow. Just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam. I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect him. I made the call up, but just like I'm rapping. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking.